between the nucleus. Good. Okay, Jason, your answer well done.
Is it between the nucleus and valence electron?
Between nucleus and valence electron. Okay, you want to modify, can add in for you. And valence electron. Here, you want to add valence electron, Jason? Okay. In the atom become what?
Weaker.
In the atom become weaker. Very good. And then it is
Easier.
easier. We use the keyword easier for the atom to release. Yes, very good. You use all the keyword. So your final equation will be 4W plus oxygen and then form 2W2O like this. To become the oxide, right? When they burn, they become oxide, huh? Okay,
Yes.
when they burn, become oxide. Okay, when you want to balance it, 4 lah, huh? Very good lah. Okay, very good, no problem. No problem. So, but this is for W, they asked already, so must show W only, they want W only. The other no need, W only, very good lah. I think this is a perfect answer lah. I think 6 mark or score by Jason. Anyone disagree? You can just give your opinion. I think nothing can pick her out already. No even single small mistake. Don't have. Very good already. See your answer. Wow, very strong, Jason. Really stable your answer. Okay, so the question 2 point need to add atom ka. Doris say. Wait, where got? Question 2 where? The question 2 point where got 2? This one. Where got atom? Oh, Doris, very good. Okay, so W, X, and Y, Daniel, shall we add in some words in behind the Y? Daniel, can we add on the atom? Because every time we write the answer with the electron, is a package, Daniel. Kalau ada electron, you tulis jawapan, mesti ada atom. Boleh, Daniel. Thank you so much, Miss Doris. You are so good observer. Yes, this is one of the track I set out here. So Daniel you are the first person gonna my track. Yeah, you be careful. You see this chapter all error will come with the atom one, because this atom is this chapter is specific, because we're talking about the chapter 3 is the atomic structure. So all the explanation must be careful. Okay, cannot less the words atom, keyword atom cannot less one. Okay. The valence electron, yes, you already add in, very good already, Daniel. But you still cannot skip from the track. I set 2 track in the same answer. Okay, Jason one, very good, perfect. Well done. Okay. Jason one, same with my answer, you see? Perfect. Okay. But some people they don't want to use W, they can use NA put inside, no problem. Okay. Because the person know group one, the first one will be NA kan. Okay, so he can put NA also. Not NA first one. This one is NA. Okay, this one is K. Actually, if you know, you can put but I advise you all you follow W only Okay, better You put NA, you make sure NA is correct Then you put K, then wrong. Habis or you want to put, you must make sure the element you use is correct Okay, so don't take risk. Okay, this is my advice. So we go to the Ivan. Ivan, are you here, Ivan? I cannot see Ivan. Ivan here. Ivan, you fill in the attendance. Ivan not in today. Okay, I think Ivan didn't join in today. So Ivan question we will pass to another one. Who else can try? Fill in the attendance for just join in one. Harry, how are you, Harry? Samantha help teacher to post the attendance again. I think some of you haven't signed in. Okay. Oh, you sign in here. Okay. So you got here already. So here we start from Isaac here. Continue. Okay. Continue here. Number 19. Okay, so we got Harry. Where is Harry? Harry, can you say hi to Mr. Lai? Harry is which one? Harry, inside got Harry, this person. Harry. Teng Yue lah, Teng Yue, you help me. Teng Yue, this one. Teng Yue can? Teng Yue, open mic, please. I call you John Teng Yue. Yue. H-Y-E, Y-U-E, John Teng Yue. Teng Yue, try this one.
Shiny solids.
Shiny solid out, very good. And yeah. Okay, again, so shiny solid out. It says shiny. Okay. So the surface with what color? One. Then you want shiny or then this one?
Soft surface with gray color.
If you want to say shiny, better you put together with color. Shiny surface with gray color, right? Then match your answer kan. Shiny is considered color also kan. The surface kan. So the first one, how to see, how to put what solid? The group one is what solid? The group one is considered metal or non-metal?
Metal.
Metal. So how what kind of metal? Is it very strong, very hard? For the group one?
Soft solid.
Easier to cut, right? Yeah. So easier to cut, right? You can cut by the knife. So soft metal solid can. So you see lah, because the properties is the physical kan, permukaan kan, the outlook kan, 外表我们 physical properties. So John, very good. Okay, thank you, John. I think your answer is complete. Very good. So how about Samantha and Xingwei? Samantha and Xingwei can say you can open mic. Xingwei here, Samantha. I didn't saw Xingwei. Xingwei didn't join today lah. So Samantha alone. Samantha, you have to answer lah. Samantha. Okay. This one, maybe I can do like this. Not good for this one. Okay. Okay. Samantha can try your answer first. Then we discuss. Okay, Chap, Samantha answer. Is it the shiny surface when freshly cut? Okay, shiny surface. Actually, yes, Chloe. Actually, the alkaline group 1 metal, actually they are original one, they are shiny one. They are not shiny because they are already oxidized. So we can say group 1 element, actually they are shiny surface, no problem. Even though when you cut off, then you can see shiny, right? Yes. But their original color will be shiny, no problem. So we can accept this answer, Chloe. Can Chloe? Okay, Samantha, very good. Okay, Samantha will give how to do the test because we want to test with water. So Samantha will see to test with water, the alkali hydroxide solution is formed. So by choose one element, one only, you don't need to choose all three. So you describe experiment. So describe the experiment, how they react with water. So Samantha will focus on the procedure. Samantha procedure will cost you how much, how many score, and the observation, and the test, and the chemical equation. So Samantha have to do analyze first before you do. You write your answer in 10 marks. So Samantha can open mic. For the first one, procedure, how many marks?
5.
5. So many marks. Observation?
1.
1 only. So few. Test?
No, 4 then 2.
4, 2. Okay, how about test? 4, 2. 2 tests. Okay, how about chemical equation?
2.
2. Okay. Normally the equation must be 2 because you need to balance it. So it's okay, we check one by one. So for the first procedure, you give me already, Samantha, very good. You pour the water inside. Pour water, and then until it's half full. Very good. Okay, very accurate, very specific. You see, every time you give answer, your instruction very clear. You see, water put inside basin, half full. So cut it into small pieces. So you see, procedure very clear. People know. Once we read the procedure from Samantha, then we can carry on experiment. No problem. Okay, Samantha, even though will give me forceps, also very good. Without forceps, you cannot cut it off. You have to use your net hand, cannot. We cannot touch a group 1 element, dangerous. So dry it with the filter paper. You see, Samantha give us dry it. And then we put the what? Put the piece very good. The small piece inside. This one important, okay? Because you cannot say put whole thing inside. So after you cut it, you take a small piece only. And number 5, every time after your reaction, your experiment, you have to do the record. You have to record what you can see, observation. So for the observation, you can see X move very what? Samantha? Rapidly. Use the word rapidly, very fast, right? And produce small flame. Okay. And put red remote paper so that it can change blue. Very good. Equation, Samantha. What to what? Your X will become what? X is the, which one? X is the smaller one, okay? And then X is what? Actually, X is the which element, Samantha? Lithium, sodium. No lithium. Why should be lithium, right? This one should be lithium, right? So lithium, sodium, potassium, right? Okay, X will be potassium, right, Samantha? We can accept potassium, or you can put X only, can, no problem. But switch to O. Very good. So it will form 2XOH hydroxide. 2XOH plus H2. So you will get hydrogen gas. Okay, Samantha, very good. Done. Okay, perfect. Perfect. 10 marks, right? Samantha,
Teacher,
agree. Why?
for X move rapidly, not slowly, my teacher. I thought potassium only rapidly or
Yeah, this is
sodium.
one will cause issue lah, because you say rapidly already, Samantha. So how about the others? How you have to mention W? If you say X is rapidly, then your Y how?
And teacher, X not lithium, my teacher.
Lithium, sodium, potassium. Okay,
Ah.
lithium. This one is sodium. This one is potassium. Okay. So how you going to describe for sodium, Samantha? Very rapidly. And then why? Very, very rapidly. So you see, you set a trap for yourself already. So when you want to describe, you have to see, X is not the faster one more. So you cannot say rapidly. You have to modify a bit, modify the words. Yes, modify it. Maybe this one rapidly. This one we can say slowly. Oh. Okay. Move slowly and produce more can. Okay. 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 What else? Anything? Anything you want to make it perfect?
Teacher, can pour distilled water instead of water?
Pour distilled water or the water is okay. This
Okay.
one they didn't emphasize to the water, distilled water, because this is not so important. If the preparing the standard solution, then must be distilled water. You know what I mean? Because this water, it doesn't affect anything. It's just a medium only.
Okay, teacher.
To let the group 1 element explode only. Okay. Everyone agree with the answer? Everyone agree? Marks? Anyone want to objection?
Teacher, for the H2O, isn't it 2 H2O to balance the equation?
Balance already. No, yeah. Oh.
Because
Samantha, today you miss out the balancing, Samantha. 2. Okay. Thank you, Chloe. Okay, one more time. Okay. So you see, good. So many eyes, then we can chat together. Sure, you want to score all these 10 marks, you want to conquer, you want to get A+, right? You cannot have single small mistake. Hurry up, other? The others how? You got 18% only, meh? Who haven't signed in, 18% only. Here got 18, 20, 26 eyes. 26 eyes. Hurry up. You have to spot one critical error. Very, very big error mistake. Who can spot for Mr. Lai? Here got 22. Suppose 20%. 2 more person haven't signed in. I see who haven't signed in. Waiman, I think Waiman haven't signed in. Waiman got 20%, suppose. 20 people. 2 more missing. 2 more missing. MIA. MIA means missing in action. Die already. Okay, hurry up, chat. Who haven't signed in? Oh, you are not in the group. Oh, okay. I think you are not in the group. No, Patricia will got inside. Oh, I think maybe one of you didn't join this group, haven't joined group. Okay. Yeah, I know already. Cherry haven't joined in. Cherry haven't. Okay, we got one more person, Cherry. Later I add Cherry. Okay. 20, I don't know who. Patricia got joined in, ask me. No, Patricia. Okay. Oh, Harry, you haven't signed in. Harry, you sign in. Harry, you're inside, right? You sign in. You just type your name. Okay. So, Janice, can you spot one of the mistake? Gone on. Now cannot 10 marks already. Oh. Now no more 10 marks. Samantha, sorry, cannot give you 10 marks.
Teacher, I have a small question, teacher.
Ask. Because
For the alkali, when they react with H2O, do they produce flame?
where got alkali?
If alkali metal like lithium,
Okay.
do they produce flame? Because I also search in internet, they go and say they only produce heat and hydrogen gas. I don't know lah, teacher.
It's me group 1 group 1 metal we put inside water
In water, do they produce flame?
If got
teacher.
fire this experiment you haven't done yet, right?
I got do it, teacher, but no flame. They just move around a lot.
They got sound, right? Then
got his sound, yeah.
Wait, don't have fire. Got fire. Maybe you put 2 small pieces, I think. You try to increase the size, then you can see fire already. Got fire. And also
teacher, I almost died that day. I don't want bigger piece already.
Oh, you done this before already,
I got do this.
How many of that how many elements you use? Lithium, sodium, potassium, all 3.
All 3, yeah.
Then nice, you can see the fire.
No, I don't see fire, teacher. I only see his.
Too small lah. Too small. Too small. Okay. Atom X Jenny said atom X. Where got atom X? Where got? A piece of atom X. No, cannot. Jenny, here you put atom X, lagi teruk. Then you were missing more marks. Jenny cannot simply add in atom. Now you are not explaining the electron. Cannot. Simply add atom will kill you. Okay. You don't every sentence you also put atom die. Here, how you put atom? You cannot see atom. Atom so small. You cannot put atom. This piece of X is correct. Very good. No problem. It's not very good. Okay. No, we hold on. I'll let you think lah. You have to do brainstorming. Okay, now YBIZ, how about you? Open mic. Isaac, you just told Mr. Light. So the lithium, they will burn slowly. Yes, you use the word slowly. So with what flame, Isaac? Isaac just open mic, no problem. With what flame?
Hello.
Okay, Isaac can hear us.
Okay. Lithium burns slowly with red flame.
Red flame, red flame. Okay, then what is the solid color form?
White solid.
Very good. If you don't know the color of the solid, you write white color. 90% will correct. Because most of the salt form, they will become white color. Okay, sodium, how about sodium color?
Sodium, yellow flame.
Yellow flame, also white.
Yeah.
Say, how about potassium?
Purple.
Purple. Also white.
Also white, yeah.
Thank you, Isaac. So you can see the words, Samantha, that's how we use the word slowly, and then we increase it. This one you can rapidly or faster. And then this one you can use the word vigorously is best. Vigorously means sangat citong, wah, sangat hebat. Dia sangat lompat-lompat, okay? Burn dengan sangat cepat, vigorously. Or you can use the word also very fast also can, no problem. Okay, then you can see the fire. This one is lithium. And this one is potassium, sorry, K. This one is K. Okay, this one is sodium. This one is lithium. Copper is this color, or calcium is this color. Okay, this one no lah, didn't come out . Okay, how about this? The first one, red color for what? Which one? Anyone can tell? You just open mic, then we can go to the next question already. So the yellow color for what? This one? This one? This one? What color? So this all color have to memorize. So the first one will be the lithium, right? This one will be lithium because the red color. Then this one will be the yellow color one is the sodium, and this one will be the purple color. This one is a potassium. And this one blue color is what? Which one will form blue color? This one, the last one, guess. Oh, very good, Isaac. How you know? It's very copper color, copper flame. Very good, Isaac. Okay, so today we finished already for the part 1. So this one I will send to you all later. Can? Any question you want to ask? No question for just now. Nobody know. Then I send to group. Okay, you brainstorming first. Who is the first one get the answer? I will give reward. Okay, hurry up. Chat. No 10 mark. Why? So pity our Samantha. Kena tolak 1 markah. So pity. Samantha, hurry up. Find out. Which one cost you deduct 1 mark? Find out why, Samantha. Okay, go to the next one. Cherry, you are the one. First one. Cherry, can open mic. Okay, Cherry, your question is, draw the electron arrangement for the water molecule and explain it. So you have to draw it, Cherry, and then you have to explain it. So how your marks allocate, Cherry? Later, when you send at the group, you tell us. Okay, draw the electron arrangement, Cherry, here.
Yes.
Okay, Cherry, you see, when you want to draw it, you think how many marks you can get from the drawing? Because here got 6 marks, right? Here, you can get how many marks? Drawing. And then you need to explain it.
Maybe 2.
Yes, normally diagram is only 2 lah. Maximum 3 only lah. So this one you got 4 lah. 4, then you know already lah. You got water molecule, right? So now the diagram show you hydrogen and oxygen. So you need 2 marks for the hydrogen, 2 marks for the oxygen. Then you have to explain separately. Can? Cherry, you try number 1. So when you want to draw diagram, you have to show what? The number of what?
The number of electron.
Very good, Cherry. Number of electron. So Cherry, the what have to draw out? Inside the point 1, the marker will check whether you draw this one or not, showing what? This layer you draw.
The symbol.
The symbol for point 2. The symbol inside for point 2. For this circle inside, I call this as what name? This circle represent what? The red color one. This circle represent what? If you didn't draw, that means you will lose what? 1 mark. This color, yes. The inner layer show that nucleus inside. Surely can. Nucleus, you must have nucleus. Okay. I mark some of my student exam trial for. Okay, they always forgot to draw inside this one. They just draw this the shell with the electron one only, but they didn't draw the inside. Then gonna deduct 1 mark. Very pity lah. Okay, ratio of what and what? Ratio of what? Cherry. I think we got ratio of which element inside?
Ratio of oxygen, hydrogen element and oxygen element.
Yes, these 2 must have. So you will score 2 marks. Very good, Cherry. And then point 3, Cherry. The electron arrangement of the hydrogen is what?
Is 1.
1, yes. So the electron arrangement of oxygen is?
2.6.
2.6. So you see, first you mention the electron arrangement, you get 1 mark only. And then you have to explain further. To achieve stable
octet electron arrangement.
And then you have to contribute how many electrons?
1 electron.
1 electron, very good. And then to achieve also octet. Am I spelling correct? 1 C only, right? Octet, right? Okay, so oxygen had to contribute how many electrons?
2 electron.
Very good, Shelly. 1 atom oxygen will receive how many electrons? We'll use the word what? Share or donate? one oxygen atom. We're using the words
Share.
share. Okay, very good. Use the keyword share, and then forming.
Covalent bond.
Very good. Covalent bond. Very good. Okay, see 6 mark already done because you mentioned about how they're sharing the bond here. So actually, when you draw it, you can use the different symbol. If you want to make it different, maybe you can use the cross. For the hydrogen, you use cross. Pangka, use pangka. And then we know hydrogen is from pangka is from hydrogen. And then they're sharing. Or forming covalent bond or covalent compound. Cherry. Be careful. So bond and compound are different because your atoms share with hydrogen atom already, oxygen share with hydrogen. So the whole thing we call covalent. Sherry? Covalent compound.
Covalent compound.
Okay, we try not to use bond now, because the whole thing is compound. Thank you, Sherry. Well done, Alvin. So anyone want to add on anything? Or perfect mark, 6 mark? Okay.
It's like
Why Alvin got
I already noticed the trap you already gave us in the diagram already.
where got trap diagram? See?
It's like the how to say, the oxygen atom, the electrons cannot be inside the shell. It needs to be between the shell of oxygen and hydrogen.
Oh, you means you have to draw like this, like this. Is it like this? Is to put inside.
Put in between.
This like this. One here, one here, like this. Oh, okay. Normally inside your school, you're drawing like this, your school teacher.
Because Mr. Before that, I draw inside like the diagram, and the school teacher, she deduct 1 mark, and then she told me cannot draw like this, and then I was like holding a grudge against the teacher.
Okay, then never mind. You just continue this habit. Very good. You drawing like this, look very clear, right? Easier to see, right? It's a very good habit like this. But no wrong, for this drawing, no wrong. We still accept. Because the most important, you show already they are sharing. They're already sharing the bond here. Actually, no problem for this drawing. Alvin, can both also can accept. I think maybe you prefer yours one drawing, then okay, you continue this one, because this one I think also look very nice. Look because more clearly Alvin. No problem. Both also we accept. And then this one we have to fill in what is the name for this bond. These 2 electrons, Sherry. So in the chemical bond, you learn about when the electron is alone, we call what pair? Very good, Alvin. We call it as a lone pair. So after this lone pair, they will use to become the dative bond. Then we see to continue the next one. Okay, no problem. This one all correct. Nobody want to object?
Jason got share one answer. I also think the answer correct also.
Which one?
Jason shared the answer.
Oh,
inside the chat.
Oh, good, Jason. Okay, this one I forgot already. This one, yes, Jason, very good. Why, Sherry, you say octet? Why? How can octet, Sherry? You still remember octet is only for how many electrons? Octet for how many? So be careful with term. All these term cannot use, cannot wrong one. It's very important. It will affect a lot of marks or missing out. X only. Yes, Alvin said right. So this is we call duplet only. Okay, no octet in this situation. Duplet is 2 maximum. Can Sherry? Duplet for 2 maximum. Okay. Good. It's okay. Sherry, now you're wrong, then you will forget. You will remember better when you're sitting inside the SPM hall already. Then we cannot do anything. Okay, Alvin, I may hear Okay, how's your discussion about this? Alvin and Jaime. Jaime, hello. Can you open mic? Hurry up. No time already. It's 2:30. Ayo. Always like this one. You have so many things to discuss. Okay, so last question for this one. Alvin, Jaime, open mic. What is the meaning of dative bond?
Dative bond is a
Covalent.
type of covalent.
Covalent. Oh, okay, thank you, Jaime. Okay, Jaime, hurry up. Electron pair that is
Shared.
share. Cannot hear a sound. Why your Sabah line not good? Come from
One.
one atom only. Very good. One atom only. Okay, perfect mark. Okay, how about the next one? How to explain it by drawing the diagram. You see, okay, 5 marks here. So I need to explain it nicely. How to form dative bond. Include the electron arrangement I have to show in the diagram. So how many marks for diagram?
2 marks for diagram.
2 marks. Okay, so we have 3 mark explanation. At least you have 3 sentences. First sentence, oxygen atom. You can use the symbol here, no problem. Either you write the oxygen or O atom. Achieve stable
Octet.
octet. Electron arrangement. And hydrogen atoms achieve stable
Duplet.
Very good. Duplet. Okay. Now you become good partner, Jaime. Okay. Jaime and our Alvin, you can form a study group. Hydrogen ion does not have any what?
Electron.
Electron. Very good. I use the word electron. Okay, don't use the symbol. The short form all for your exercise only, not for your nota only. In exam, you write full. The what pair?
Lone pair.
Lone pair. Okay. In the oxygen atom, they are involved in
covalent bond involved.
Very good. Actually, is a dative bond is one type of covalent bond. Okay, so H2O is what? They are not involved in is what?
H2O is occupied with hydrogen H plus ion. I don't know. Occupied with this.
The lone pair in the oxygen atom. Here are the lone pair just now. Does not involve in the covalent bond in water. Is what? Is going to what? So you got this lone pair, right? So the lone pair nothing to use, man. So the lone pair will go to what?
Share.
Yeah,
share.
Use the keyword. It's share with hydrogen, no? It's share with hydrogen, no? So it's share with hydrogen. And then in what ion? H3O plus hydrosonium.
Hydrosodium ion.
Hydrosonium.
Hydroxodium.
Correct. Hydrosonium.
I think it's hydrosonium.
Hydrosonium, H3O plus. So, and all hydrogen atom have achieved stable.
Stable octet or duplet depends. If you write O, you write octet. If you write H, you write duplet.
Oh, sorry, right there. Oxygen atom and hydrogen atom have achieved stable
octet and duplet.
Yes, you must mention both. If you want, also wrong. Duplet. Yes, you have to write like this. Because you are mentioned about 2 things. So you have to 2 octet and duplet. So you see perfect already 4 marks here. Perfect. And the diagram, perfect. Nuclear shell, got, Jaime? Perfect.
Yes. The diagram forgot to put the plus sign.
The plus sign.
Why?
Shares like how much? Like
this one?
3, I guess.
Yes.
Plus
Yes.
Yeah, plus sign.
We have to put plus positive
Just no plus, then no marks.
Yes, of course. This one very important. Luckily you mentioned. And then the ratio of which all 2 pairs are shared very correctly. So all the 2 marks from diagram, you all score very good. Total is 5 marks. Are you happy with your answer? 5 marks here, Jaime and Alvin. Nice, No objection. You see, I put here.
And then we check for Mr. Lai.
I put here.
I think got trapped. I don't know whether got trapped or not.
Because I'm old already, you see, I also easier forgot. I also forgot where the prep I put also. So I put some clue here. Thread 1 plus 3. That means just now you already realize this is the thread here. So more thread for you for question 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So question 1, question 1 also got thread.
Okay. Question 1 got thread?
How can you didn't see thread? Okay. A cheese stable, right, in water. Okay, when you say about, you see, when you say about here, you already mentioned about atom, right? So very good. You mentioned about atom, you mentioned about electron, everything okay. It's got atom, right? How about here?
Not H2O.
Yes, H2O also can. You use symbol also can, but when you use symbol, your behind must add in H2O what?
Molecule.
Yes. Better you give specific answer. I always remind you all, right? So you see, this one is the one track. If you use H2O only, maybe no marks. If you water also better you put molecule. Put Jia, very good Jia. Oh, Jia. Finally, I saw your response. Good Jia. See? Actually, you all are very good fighter. You all are very good warrior. You all are general. I'm only play the roles what? Alvin. Teacher as what? Because now you are going to fight, right? In the battlefield, SPM, right? You are warrior, right? So what is the role teacher play?
Teacher play as like how to say? Like a general, general.
You all general. I cannot represent you all to fight. You all represent yourself. You all are general already.
Mr. Lai is like how to say in Chinese called 诸葛亮 like that.
Okay, good. So I like your description. Actually, my roles is only like your military advisor only. Okay. Now I just try to guide you, give you the skill how to avoid from the enemy track or like this. Okay. But the real situation you have to facing in the real exam all depend on you. See. Now I teach you the skill already, but you still cannot find out the track. So first one, no more already. Here. How about one more thread? 1 plus 3. I think 3 got thread or not? The lone pair. Okay. Covalent bond in the water is shared with the hydrogen ion. Okay, I think no
water molecules again, right, Mr. Lai?
Maybe this one you can add in molecule, better. Okay, this one molecule. Next time, we do whatever we can. The most safety one. So we don't take risks. We don't take risks and give the chance to people to cut our mark. Okay, we go back to. Okay, we check one by one because time's out already. So I have to tell you all. Okay, be careful the mistake. For just now, this is the periodic table. Okay, this one. Got 2 answers here. Okay, this is a chemical bond. Okay, we check one by one. For the first one, just now cherry on. Okay, you check, you see. Hey, this one wrong. This one no answer one. It gives you the answer one. This is a teacher version. Okay, you can see. Is it same with cherry answer? Nucleus, electron, is it all correct? Okay. Foul already. Cherry number 3.3, you see? 0.3, the hydrogen missing here. When you say about electron arrangement, you must have hydrogen here. You should put what? Atom, right? Be careful, you see? Nobody realized just now. Oxygen atom here also same. Must put atom here. Oh, be careful. Oh, this is a deadly threat. Can Sherry, okay, here. Okay, to forming the this one to forming the covalent compound can, or we can give a better one is we mention about what covalent compound we form. So actually we're forming the hydrogen H2O kan? You can say lah, H2O covalent compounds, okay? So maybe you can add one more here. H2O. Okay, like this. Can I? Agree. So every time you give the best answer with all the specific keyword all inside, then no chance for them to cut your mark. No chance already. Okay, share all correct. You see, Jaime one very good. Okay, here done already. Electron. Okay, this one duplicate done. Okay, no more track for this one. Okay. Okay, go back to just now one. Nobody found out this one, huh?
It's like, is it one of the answers need to add quickly?
Oh, why? Why quickly cannot?
Because if we do it slowly, quickly record the observation. Quickly record.
This one wrong, quickly cannot, Samantha.
No. Mr. Number 5, quickly record the observation.
Quickly record.
Because like
no need quickly lah. You didn't take any time you didn't use stopwatch also. You slowly record also can Important you record the flame color only Okay, the problem is just now, Samantha, can you put in the piece of the group 1 element faster? Can you put in quickly? Do you think it's suitable? Do you think quickly is good? Samantha? Why we cannot use quickly? Because dangerous you won't put quickly, man. And then maybe the sodium lithium will how? Maybe you put too fast already, maybe it will jump, or how? You go to other friends' body, cannot can. All these precautions must remember. When we handle with all this reactive matter, you have to do it very smart, very slowly. So you never use the word quickly here. Don't use quickly. Quickly is only for the thermal chemistry, the heat of neutralization only. You have to pour it faster because you want to minimize the heat loss to the surrounding. Understand, Samantha? Okay. Can remember I see Samantha, but now okay, you remember already. Yes. One more thing is just now you see X move rapidly, slowly. We are not specific. You see our answer. The best answer here, they mention how you see. Move slowly on the surface, water surface. Yes, you remember, you see. You must specify the answer. You can observe. So is it the element moving on the surface water or inside the water? So you have to say, because observation must very clear. You cannot just simply say rapidly only. Cannot. You must say slowly on the surface, water surface. And see so many threads today. Everybody gonna but Samantha is good. Faucet, Samantha already mentioned just now. So faucet is good. This one also track. This one also track. For faucet. So this one cannot. Slowly. Okay? So be careful lah. Because you have one chance only in the SPM. You will never want to repeat it. So you have to do it 110% performance. Okay, all correct already, no problem already. Okay, I think we're done for today class. Thank you very much. Okay, we have 2 more days. I teacher hope you all can still join together with Mr. Lycan. You all learn a lot, right, today? Thank you, you all. Some students, I need you to stay because I have something to discuss. Alvin, you stay. Doris, stay. Chloe, stay. Samantha, stay. Okay, the other, we see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Lee, stay. Jia, stay. Okay, bye-bye. Jia, you stay. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
不是。
Can ask in WhatsApp group. No problem. One. I can answer your. Okay.
老师，
嗯
那个
，OK OK，我要快了，因为你要去补习了啊。你要补什么习啊？等一下。
也是补 chemistry。
又补 chemistry 啊？哦哟，厉害了你！你补几个习了到底啊？
没有啦，这个 chemistry 是一开始就有的。
哦，对，你补之前的老师啊。OK 啦 OK 啦，当然要了。你如果习惯跟他聊，你一定要补跟他，因为你容易吸收，其实是很重要。嗯，要这样子对。所以你自己要看哦，你自己分配时间一下。最重要，你有学到了哦。
我说我要看这个的最后一个。
哇，有问题这个。你们等一下啦，我们就是我要跟你讨论东西一下，然后顺便你们要听一下Doris 有问我一个问题，他说要讲背那个 scientist name， 等下我可以教你们一下，哪一个 Doris？
这是昨天的事。
哪一个？昨天的？这个你要昨天的 Day 7啊？
昨天那个最后一个那个火的那个。
火的，这个火的，然后
那个最后一面的。
最后一面火的 ，OK 来，对吧？
如果他，不是还要在下面一个。
这个火，
如果他考试，他会出这样的。
如果真的 SPM 哦，你们的图画是有颜色的哦。OK， 上面never mind， 上面you can leave it， you can leave now， 不用紧，等下过后给你 update。OK， 如果有事情的你们可以走如果没有事情的我们到3点一下。OK， 这个是好事说啦，真正 SPM 你们会看到有颜色的吗？你们会看到颜色，你们的考卷只是 color screen 的吗？所以很贵的你们
OK，
color 的，所以是会看到颜色的，明白？所以你看到的火是真的有颜色。如果你看到什么那个potassium dichromate 它真的话是有 purple color 的，或者是那个 phenolphthalein 是 pink color 的，是会看到的，真正是会有的，真正会有。triangle color 2啊，哇，你们 triangle 更好啊，是啊，你们有的。OK，so 我们现在可以看那个 Doris 先啊，等下我要问你们一些问题啦，回馈一下，然后老师要 plan for 下一场，我们打算要做什么的，看看你们意见一下啊，你们可以提供老师宝贵的意见。OK， 我们现在先看 Doris 的问题。Doris 的问题是这个，OK，Doris 他有这个问题是他背不到噻，Doris 哦，你的答案是动机是错噻。
我乱圈的。
所以这种这种题目是死的，就像死加赖的。看下 Chloe 你怎样背 Chloe。Alvin， 你有把这5个side背完吗？5个side上有5个，你有背完吗？讲一下你们的方法。
我只知道最后一个那个什么 Chap 它是full atom 了，然后 John Dalton 它就是 original 的，剩下那3个我就没有背了。
要配的，我跟你讲，你不要看小这种题目，它就是1分的哦，就是 objective 1分的。你不背，你手加都背这样多了，你不背这个没要背哦，所以没有背的人就是很可惜咯。所以你们这种东西不可以，你们不是玩笑的。
好像那个Ernest Rutherford 没有事，我先去找一下我朋友share的那个记忆法，看能不能share给 group 里面的。
可以啊，你找到你就share，你们有什么资料要share，所以这个就是要 study group 嘛。
因为我的那个朋友还有去一个Quest 的一个讲座，然后那个那边那个 teacher got share some like ways on how to memorize the scientist name 啦。
OK， 杰一耶，嘉义今天没有上我们课啊，嘉义根本没有拉杰一来。口一耶。Share how you memorize.
I got one video. I wrong also that one teacher, so I don't know whether the video good or not. But then I got this video. He got.
You share what? Last time you share that one song the one too
Martin.
Martin, wow, very good master grade really master grade. One whiteboard he can describe everything. Wow, I so admire him also.
Yeah, he used visual.
visual, actually good. You see how to do the sort essay. Like his style is very easy already. You see, but a lot of things have to memorize also. Not so easy also lah. Okay. So, how you memorize, Chloe? 嘉义嘉义李毅什么方法？怎么去背呢？ Roxanne, you want to share? Roxanne Form 4 one. Roxanne this year Form 4. So remember the story lah. Remember the story, Li. Roxanne, you want to share? You can share.
Teacher, I found the video. The what's it called? Dumbo tak ada red blood cell.
Dumbo tak ada red
No,
blood cell.
Dumbo, that elephant. Then John Dalton 那个 D. Then other.
You type here.
Okay. I take picture.
很好。Dumbo 可以。Dumbo the other red blood cell 可以啊，我看得明白啊，看啊 Dumbo 是 Dalton the other red blood cell CELL ，Doris 可以吗 ？Alvin cannot like this. Oh, sorry, I forgot to stop recording. All this nonsense cannot record.